Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, guys. Today we are going to talk about meeting call. We discuss about software, programming, language, and networking. For meeting 3 last week, we talked about software. I think you know it's about software. This means software is a part of computer that we cannot do touch about the material, like program, like things. And in this meeting, we talk about programming language and networking. Okay, please let's check it out. Okay, you can look at about this module. I think you know exactly about the programming language. Programming language is an artificial language designed to communicate instruction to a machine, particularly a computer. Programming language can be used to create programs that control the behavior on a machine and also express algorithm precisely. I think there are so many examples of the programming language like Pascal, C++, Visual Basic, Visual Foxborough, and Java. I think. And then information network, I think there are so many networks, yeah. And then I give some of the example of network like LAN. This means LAN, local area network, is a system whereby individual PC are connected together within a company or organization. And then the second example, one wide area network, as the name implies, allow you to connect to other computer over a wider area. For example, the whole world. I think this is about one example about information network. I think you can search about anything in Google. Okay, and then use network. This means if we use about network, for example, in the company or the office, there are many people working together in the office, and they want to connect each other. And then, for example, we can use for a single printer, and that single printer can use for all of the people. Okay. And then, like the second example, like a modem. One modem can use or can be set for all of the people around the company or around the office. And then, but the information, yeah, it is mean even more useful in the ability to share information when connected to a network. This is about describe when we use about a network. Okay, and then this is about the example about the computer in daily life. For example, account. It's mean account. If you want to calculate about something, you can use in computer. And about game, I think exactly. You always play in a game. You always play in a game in a computer. Because yeah, I think today there are so many people, especially what the young generation use about the computer for a game after studying hard. I think is it better? Maybe it's okay. We can relax for a moment, and you can use the computer for a game. But a game is just for fun. Okay, and then for educational, like if you can search about something in Google, you can use about the computer, for example, like how to translate about that, like or dislike. I think we can use about the computer. Then online banking, for example, if we use about the transaction in a bank, we can use about the computer. And then smart ID card, like ATM, I think. This is about the smart ID card. In the supermarket, in the supermarket today, there are so many computers to use for the transaction. Maybe if you want to pay a bill, you can use, and the cashier use about the computer. And then working from home. Okay, today this is about the pandemic era. So many people work from home using about the computer, okay, internet. I think there are so many use for the internet. This is about the one example that we can use about internet, and we can communicate with each other maybe without face to face, and then without go to the same place. It is mean we can do about something online. Okay, and then if we can use about the computer and if we can use about the internet, I think we can talk about the bad impact. Bad impact about something, for example, computer virus. Yeah, it is mean this is about a bad risk. Yeah, bad risk if we use about the internet or the computer. Sometimes virus always infect on that computer. This is about the definition of the computer virus. Virus are small programs that hide themselves on your disk, yeah, on a flash disk, on your hard disk, I think. Yeah, like Trojan horse, maybe like wormware, yeah, I think, and then yeah, I think there are so many. In the next slide, next meeting, we can use, we can discuss about the computer, about the virus. So, yeah, I think this is about how we can detect about the virus for the first. Jadi, if you switch on the computer, if there is with the virus, you can know exactly about the virus in that computer, and then so you can activate about the virus, or you can clean about the computer before you are using about that. Okay, this means virus. Different viruses are activated in different ways. And then how do viruses affect PC personal computer? Jadi when the virus hide in the disk and when you access the disk, I think the virus program will start and infect your computer. Jadi if in that computer on your laptop there is about the virus, for the first when you switch on about the computer or the PC, the virus can detect about that program, and then so one of the solution you can clean about that. And then the last thing about the computer virus that they spread from one computer to another, either via use or infected plastics or over the computer network, including the internet. Jadi this is about the worst thing about the computer. This means they can spread out to computer to another. It is by SDs or a network or internet. So you must be careful about the virus. Okay. This is about software copyright. Jadi this means we must be careful about the software copyright. For example, if we want to install about like Windows must be has got a license, yeah. It not have a license, yeah. And then about freeware, this means freeware you can download about the freeware in the internet. And then shareware, this is about the software that we can share for many people. And then this is about one reason. What about software that you can find on the internet? Of course, you can find about the software, about the freeware, yeah, maybe. And then you can look at about software site license. This is about license or not. Okay, this is about software copyright. Talk about software copyright. This means you must have to legal, yeah, not illegal, yeah, legal software copyright. And then in many countries, maybe if we have got a legal software copyright, it means our data and then our computer and then our laptop, I think protect, yeah, maybe and then protect. And so this means is the better for us use about software. That software has got a license. Yeah. Okay, I think this is about my explanation, and I hope you know exactly in your daily life. And then so if you don't understand about that, you can search about anything by computer, by internet, using the Google. Okay, see you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.